In the heart of every equipment service engineer, a symphony of care unfolds. Behind the scenes, dedicated professionally qualified engineers like the team at Bahamas Medical and Surgical Supplies Limited ensure every machine is primed for precision, every patient experience seamless. Our reach extends from Nassau to the Family Islands and within the Caribbean. No matter where our clients are, we're there to serve them promptly and efficiently. Specialized Bahamian trained engineers, fueled by commitment, master the latest technologies in MRI, CT, X-ray, and C-arm equipment with mammography, anesthesia, ultrasound, and patient monitors. Plus, our dedication to customer satisfaction is unmatched. Whether it's routine maintenance or emergency repairs, they know we'll get the job done right. The first time, every time. And remember, if it's healthcare, it's here.